Today we're going to be cooking pollo asados, which is basically grilled chicken, but instead of on the grill, it's going to be in the oven. I got this great recipe from a buddy I've been following on YouTube. His name's Kirby. Cooking with Kirby is his channel name on YouTube. I'll put the link on the description below. Check him out, he's great. And to top it off, he's from my hometown, Imperial Valley, California. I'm ready, my beard's ready. Are you ready? Let's cook. So now we are going to create our marinade. We need 3 tomatoes, half an onion, half a cup of white vinegar, 2 chile serranos, half a bunch of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 limes, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Don't use those salt and peppers that they sell at the markets. Kosher salt's the best. Then we use the half a bar of anchote paste. You get these in the Mexican markets. And like Kirby said, this is the hero of the story. This is who puts all the ingredients together. This is the big dog. We only use half of it. Make sure you always dry your chickens and your steaks before you put anything on it. Also, I bought these new scissors. I got them from Amazon. My math teacher in junior high told me I was not going to amount to anything. And look at me now, I'm cracking ribs, baby. Normally this is called spatchcock chicken, and I don't know about you, but that doesn't sound too appetizing, so I just call it butterfly chicken. So now I'm just creating the marinade. I'm just putting everything in the blender. This is the first time I tried this recipe. Normally I don't cook like this. Normally it's just steaks and hamburgers outside, but nothing like this. So I'm getting out of my comfort zone, and hopefully everything turns out for the best at the end. It's hard when you're cooking something you don't know the results to, especially if there's 5-6 people having dinner waiting for a good meal. Don't forget to go under the skin, and if you want to use a brush, then brush away, that works too. Besides the chicken, I also got 3 chicken legs, and I'm trying a different recipe, you know, just as a backup, but just to try new things. So this is a dry rub. I just got paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. That's it, 4 things. Mix it up and just put it on there, try it out, and see how it comes out. While the chickens are in the fridge marinating, I decided to cook some rice. I put some non-stick olive oil, 1 cup of rice, and 2 cups of water, and this is what I got. You always want to make sure your pan is hot before you put any oil on it. You don't want the oil to burn, and by checking your pan, just throw a couple drops of water. Now that your pan is hot, now you can put the oil on it. Now you put your chicken on and listen to that beautiful sound. This way your chicken gets fresh oil. Fresh hot oil, not burnt oil, black oil. I'm going to add a little secret sauce that I always do on meats, carne asadas, chicken, hamburgers. Just add a little beer to it. Just gives it that little kick. So after I seared the chicken legs, I did like 2.5 minutes on each side. I put it in the oven. Plus, I took the big chicken out of the fridge and put both in the oven. And now it's time to wait and see what happens. Of course, the chicken legs were going to come out first. Look at this, they're beautiful. The temperature for the chicken is 165. 165 is a perfect cook. You want to add some more of the marinade to keep it nice and moist. Now it's time for the big test, the taste test. Everything looks good from the inside. Taste is great, great flavor, awesome. Chicken is out, looks good. It's got a great color. Now the big test. Oh my God, tastes so good. This is my wife in action. She played some, I cook them, she played some. And the best part of this is cooking for my mom and for my dad.
Very good.
Yeah?
Very good.
That's
El sazón tiene mucho que ver.
After a hard day's work, you drink a Corona. And I'm not talking about a regular Corona. I'm talking about a Corona familiar, a real Corona. Drink 1 or 2 with your meals. You don't have to go buy a 30-pack. Relax. Enjoy life. Life is too short. Remove yourself from negative people and just live your life. Be happy and help others. Thank you, Kirby. Great recipe.